Next method is product method. Under product method, this is also suitable for those when the amount of drawing is more than 2 times in a year and it is not in a regular interval. If it is a regular also you can follow this method, but if it is irregular, if it is not in a regular period also you can follow this method, that is product method. So under product method, calculation of interest on drawing will be, the formula for that is total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. This is almost same like direct, but slight changes in the formula. Total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. That means first we need to find out here total product. How to find out that total product? Total product can be, we can get total product by applying this formula, that is amount of drawing into number of outstanding month. In the direct method, interest on drawing, directly we are doing amount of drawing into number of months divided by 12. But to find out the total product, we are not doing like that. We are doing only, we are taking amount of drawing into number of outstanding months. When we will get total product, we will apply that amount total product here, and for that rate of interest then into 1 by 12. When you will do like this, you will get interest on drawing of that partner, whatever they have given in the problem, that partner's interest on drawing is calculated. Okay, so to understand this, we will solve one problem so that you can now easily, the same method will follow like direct method. First we will put the columns box, and in that we will find out total product. After getting the total product, we will apply this formula and we will find out interest on drawing. Here is one problem. Sheila and Leela are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Sheila withdrew following amount during the year: 30th 6 2019 rupees 5000, 110 2019 rupees 4500, 31st 12 2019 rupees 6000, 1/3 2020 rupees 6500. The deed provides for interest on drawings at 6% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing under product method for the year ending 31st 3 2020. Okay, to calculate interest on drawing under product method, you need to follow two formula. First, the actual formula is interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. How to find out total product? Total product is equal to amount of drawing into number of outstanding month. To do that, to find out that total product, we have done this, we have put in the columns and we can find out easily here, and then we will apply the next formula and we will find out interest on drawing. The same like direct method. First one will be date of drawing, next one will be amount of drawing, next column number of outstanding month, last column was bit changed. There we have taken directly interest on drawing, but here it is not like that. Here it is total product is equal to amount of drawing into number of outstanding months. Number of outstanding months. Let us take the first one now. As I told you, to write here, we should write the date in a chronological order. However, they have given in the problem, you need to check in which order it is, but how they will give you in the problem, but while writing here, it should come in a chronological order only. Okay, so now 30th 6 2019, this is the first date. Before that, find out the year ending date. What is the year ending date? Year ending date is 31st 3 2020. If they have not given 31st 3 2020 also, in this problem you can make out which is the year ending date. See, it starts from 30th 6, whatever it may be, but the last one they have given as 1/3/20. 1/3/2020 means obviously the year ending date will be 31st/3/2020 only. So by checking these date also, if they are not mentioned in the problem, then you can find out in that way, which is the last. Check the last date, in which date they have given. If it was not given like this, if they have given 31st/12 means the last date, then the year ending date will be. When it was not mentioned, usually they will mention in the problem. If it is not mentioned, then consider the last date, and depending upon that date, consider which is the year ending date. Okay. So now 30th/6/2019, the amount of drawing was 5,000. So first date, it will start from which one? 30th/6/2019. Amount of drawing is 5,000. Next, it is 1/10/2019. Next, here it is. In the previous problem, it was given like A, B, C, D. But here nothing was mentioned. Just they have given the dates and they have given the amount of drawing. This is here 1/10/2019. Before that, check here. But here it is 31st/7/2019. Which one will come first now? 10 will come or 7 will come? Which one? 7 will come first, because after 6 the next one will be 7. After that it will be 10. Then it will be 3. That's why here in this problem, check the date now and month, then write down there. Okay. Here it is 6. You can't take 10 now, because why? Because 7 will come before than 10, and then we need to go for 10 and next for 3. Okay. Now 30th/6/2019, it is 5,000. After that, the next one is 31st/7/2019. It is 6,000. Next date is 1/10. After 7, 10 will come. So 1/10/2019. How much it is? 4,500. 4,500. And the last one is 1/3/2020. 6,500. Calculation of number of outstanding months is same like previous problem. It will start. Check the date. 30th/6. 30th means the last day of that month. That's why we need to exclude this month. Exclude which month? 6th month. Start from which month now? 7th. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 1, 2 and 3. Because the year ending date is 31st/3. So total outstanding months will become 9. 6 we should exclude because this is the last day of that month. 6 will go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So outstanding months will become 9. Next one, 31st/7. 7th month, but 31st was given. Again, when it is 31st, you need to exclude that month. Which month? 7th month. That's why we need to start from the very next month. Very next month will become 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. Total how many months now? 8 months. 7th we will leave. We'll start from 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So it will become how much? 8 months. Next one. After that, 1/10. 1/10 means beginning of that month. When it is beginning, we need to include that month. Which is that month? 10th. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. How many months? 6 months. We will include 10th month because this is the beginning date. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next one. 1/3/2020. 1/3 means beginning again. We need to include that month. Which is that month? 3rd. Our year ending date is also 31st/3. That's why we need to consider only for 1 month. Beginning, that is 3rd month. So only 1 month we need to take into consideration. That is 1. Before that, I forgot to write the heading. What is the heading? Whose drawing, interest on drawing we are calculating now? We are calculating, this is Sheila Vitriu. That's why here it will come calculation of interest on drawing of Sheila. Okay, now we have completed one part of the table. Now we'll come for the second part. Second part, here what we need to get? Total product. How we will get total product? By multiplying amount of drawing into number of outstanding month. Okay, first one we will take into consideration. What is that amount of drawing? 5,000 into 9. Second one, 6,000 into 8. Next one, 4,500 into 6. Last one, 6,500 into 1. Now, do it in your calculator. Here what you are finding out? When you will get the answer, that is considered as what? That is considered as total product. Okay, write here total product. Multiply and write the answer now. 45,000. Next, 48,000. Next, 27,000. And this is 6,500. Once again, 5,000 into 9. So 45,000. 48,000. Next, 4,500 into 6. 27,000 and 6,500. After doing all this, add and write it at last. How much it will come? 500. 1,26,500. How much it will come? 1,26,500. Now, after calculating this, what we got now? Just we got total product. What we want now? Actually, we want interest on drawing. Correct? Interest on drawing. Apply the formula now. What is the formula for interest on drawing? Interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. What is the formula? Total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. I am not having place, so I am writing here. You should write below than this. Okay. Total product, just now we got the answer. How much it is? 1,26,000. 1,26,500. Correct. Next, rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? It is given in the problem. It is at 6%. That means 6 divided by 100 and into how much? 1 by 12. We are calculating it for 1 month. So 1 by 12. How much it will come? Take your calculator and calculate 1,26,500 into 6 by 100 into 1 divided by 12. It will come how much? 1,26,500 into 6 divided by 100 into 1 by 12 means it will come 632.5. Here if the point will come, you can write like that only. Take only one digit. Okay, after the point take one digit. No need to take more than one digit. So it will come 632.5. So this is the interest on drawing of whom? Interest on drawing of Sheila. So this is under product method. Only the the last column will be changed. Here first we need to find out the total product. After getting total product, apply the formula total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12, and here it will come 632.5. So these problems, direct method, they will not like, it is a very less chances of asking for 6 mark, or they will ask either product method or the next method, that is average period method. So this will come for 6 mark under section C, that is for 6 mark. Okay, so practice these problems, write this problem, and before that I have done 2 more problems related to direct method, no, that in your notebook. Okay, next I'll give you the homework today along with the notes, and you are having few problems in your question bank also. You can try those problems in your homework book. Nobody is sending me the homework part, only few they have sent whether it is a correct answer or not. I told them and I guided them. Rest of the students have not submitted the previous day's homework. I want that also completed, and later after that you need to do this also. In the previous class I have given you 3 problems from the question bank. I want it very soon. Those who will not submit, just I'll make a note of everyone's name. Okay, so first these 2 problems, this one and 2 problems of direct method should be in your notes. Today I am giving the notes of previous class, that is a P&L appropriation account and related to this. After completing this, note down these problems, and then in the homework try to do the problems which are there in the question bank. Okay,